right, a big hello to all the nice and decent folks and to all the not so nice and not so decent. All right, today's a quick video. Quick video. Hopefully it'll be a quick video. All right, I've been waiting for this handle for a couple of days now and finally got it in. What it was, I diagnosed the problem on this Bissell Revolution here. It wasn't spraying, okay? I'm looking over there because I think a customer is coming in. It's amazing. I waited a while. I saw this vehicle and I waited a while, as long as I could, to start the video. And the moment I started the video, they're coming in. I'm like, all right, maybe they just parked in front of the store, you know? And but anyway, I'll be back. A lot of my videos are gonna have, let's say you're typing in how to replace, Bissell Pro Heat handle, right? Revolution handle. And then this particular video may pop up, but I may have done this already in another video, maybe diagnosing another problem. So you're with me as I'm growing through this. Looks like I'm gonna have to streamline the videos where I'm showing one thing because the searches are not, I may have an answer to what you're looking for, but it's in another video. So I'm gonna have to find a way to hold back on information. It's hard to do because, you're in the mode, man. You're like, oh, yo, by the way, but the search don't have that. So you're in this process with me. So thanks for joining. Anyway, let's get right to it. All right. So what you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver, or spatula, or a butter knife, okay? Just something with a flat head, but you're definitely gonna need a Phillip. All right, so here we go. Let's replace this handle. All right, and so why am I replacing the handle in the first place? Well, I'm having an issue spraying, and I found that, hold on. Oh, by the way, this handle number is 160-9129, 160-9129. I'll have it in the description below. But it wasn't spraying. And the way these Bissells work, let me take this apart, rip it, is when you press the trigger, right? Let's say this is up against the tab at the bottom, all right? It's supposed to move. Every time I press the trigger, that's supposed to move and push down to tell the water to release, and this is not doing that. Now, there is a hack for this, and I have it in one of my other videos where if you really need to use it right now and you're waiting for your handle, but you have to shampoo, I do have a hack, but this is to replace the handle, all right? So, and I hope you're not a stickler for patterns. I told the customer that this may not come in that color that you have, and she's like, well, you know how ladies are, we want our things to match, and so I have a feeling she's gonna be a little bit upset that the color is not red, but having a working handle trumps the color. All right, so here we go. Let me show you how to take this apart. You're gonna get the screwdriver, flathead. You can go either through the back or through the front. I would say try the back first, okay? And then, see where it's at so you can know to pop out the front, okay? All right, let me just do it here too. And then just kind of, you notice? I'm too far from you. I'm just too far from you. Okay, I'm gonna get a little closer. All right. Yeah, is that close enough? All right, so there's a little tab, little right here. So you're just kind of popping it out, all right? Okay, let's do the same for this. Okay, and really you should be taking the screw out first anyway, but yeah, doesn't matter. Some things matter, but other things, which one you take out first, but this is out. And if you notice this little tab, so if you didn't, this you can't yank this out of here, okay? All right, let's remove the tank. All right, and now if you notice this little tab here, you're going to stick the flathead inside, and you're gonna pry it away from the handle so you can lift the handle up and out. All right, so let's go do that. Handle is up and out. This here also, you can just kind of wiggle this off, okay? If you have a tough time, just stick your screwdriver underneath and just kind of pop it off there, okay? All right, get your new handle, repeat the process, right? Slide this down, snap it in, and let's put these back in. And that's it. You got a brand new handle. All right. And now I am going to do one last thing because I did want to keep this video short, but I do want to show why it was necessary for this to be. And I never investigated any further into the handle. Okay. Let me put this out of the way for a second, but we're good now. All right. And you can normally feel it. If there's no resistance when you squeeze the trigger, then you know something's going on. All right, but let's look into this real quick. All right, let's see what's going on. Okay. All right, got my little screwdriver here. All right. Comes with 3 screws. Got like a thin, little skinny screwdriver. Nothing too big. Drill bit is probably too big for this opening. All right, here we go. Let's see what's going on, right? Come on. You see me losing my cool, right? Anyway, it fell. Okay, so let's see what's going on. Oh, imagine that. Something as simple as that. Look at this. So, our trigger's here, but look what's broken off. The little ends that allow you to kind of, for it to have a place to cradle. These things are broken off. These one here and on the other side. Here's a little piece of it right here. Now here's the funny part. You may be able to get a trigger. Let me get this out of here. The other one must have just disappeared somewhere. It's still stuck in there, the other one. See that? But the other one is gone. Yeah, it's not even in here. Maybe it fell out and I didn't see it. Oh, come on. Get out of here. Okay. Needing those pliers. All right. Pull the tooth out. Okay. So imagine this. Is that a shame? The rest of the handle is fine. You know, like some people, this is the problem, you know. But this is kind of what that trigger is doing, is pushing this tab down. All right. It's like it's up here and it pushes it down. Okay. But yeah, that handle is gone. What do you do? Get a whole new handle. I may hold on to this handle though. You never know, I may need it for something else. But yeah, that's it. This is the culprit. All right. And they don't sell these. They don't sell this by itself. You may get someone online that's selling it, maybe taking parts of it off their vacuum, but this by itself, you're not gonna buy brand new. All right, guys, until next time. This was a nice, short, little sweet one, and I will try to keep them concise like this. Like I'm only focusing on one part and one search, and it'll pop up so you can get it and don't have to sift through a whole bunch of my yakking away, okay? All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.